Sharon Stone is one of Hollywood's most iconic actresses, known for her talent, beauty, and unforgettable performances. But behind the glitz and glamour, she faced a life-threatening health crisis that almost took her life. Today, we're diving into the harrowing story of Sharon Stone's near-death experience, her incredible survival, and how it changed her life forever. In 2001, at the height of her career, Sharon Stone experienced a medical emergency that would leave her fighting for her life. She suffered a massive brain hemorrhage caused by a rare condition called a vertebral artery dissection. This occurs when a tear forms in the wall of one of the arteries supplying blood to the brain, leading to a stroke. According to medical experts, vertebral artery dissections are often caused by trauma, but they can also occur spontaneously. In Sharon's case, the cause wasn't immediately clear. What we do know is that the condition is extremely dangerous and can be fatal if not treated quickly. I was at home, and suddenly I felt this excruciating pain in my head. It was like nothing I'd ever experienced before. I knew something was terribly wrong. Sharon was rushed to the hospital, where doctors discovered the hemorrhage. She later revealed that her chances of survival were slim, just 1%. Sharon underwent emergency treatment, including a procedure to stop the bleeding in her brain. She spent several days in the ICU fighting for her life. In her memoir, The Beauty of Living Twice, she opens up about the experience, describing it as a profound and life-altering event. I felt myself leave my body. I was above myself looking down. I saw the doctors working on me, and I felt this incredible sense of peace. But then I heard a voice say, "Not yet. It's not your time." And I came back. Sharon's account of her near-death experience is both chilling and inspiring. She credits this moment with giving her a new perspective on life and a deeper appreciation for every moment. After her recovery, Sharon became an advocate for health awareness, particularly for stroke prevention and women's health. She also used her platform to support various charitable causes, including the American Stroke Association. Sharon Stone's near-death experience is a reminder of how fragile life can be, even for someone who seems invincible. Her story of survival and resilience continues to inspire millions around the world. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible stories from the world of entertainment and beyond. And as always, take care of your health. It's the most precious thing you have. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more inspiring stories.